Today I am going to be installing this ring attachment for the floodlight. Inside of my garage, connected to the garage motor, they did put an outlet. This is where that ring extension for the floodlight comes in handy. I can run, what I'm going to do is run this extension over the top of these trusses and then just drill a hole from the inside out, or maybe the outside in, and then mount the ring light above that hole. This is our cord. I'm going to loosen this with the screwdriver that Ring provided. Loosen these two screws. Pull that out for now. Right here I've got a 9/16 paddle bit, which is slightly bigger than the width of this wire. Here's my power outlet. I'm not going to plug it in yet because the end of this has wires, exposed wires. I'm going to get this where I want it and then kind of feed it down to the end of the garage. There's our hole that I just drilled. I'm just going to shove the wire through the hole. Next, I'm going to mount the bracket. Look at the up sign. That's the way you want to mount it. Before I attach this, I'm going to run my wire back through. See the slots here, and these will line up with those slots, and then you'll twist to lock it in place. You want this wire in that gap. Everything has to be even for this to work right. It's locked into place. Unbox our Ring spotlight. And this would be the only piece that we need, as our mounting bracket is already up there. As far as the hardware goes, we will need the two nuts from G, and we can use this driver to drive the nuts in. Connect the black wire to the black wire, the green wire to the green wire, and the white wire to the white wire using wire nuts, Wago nuts, whatever kind of nuts you want to use to connect the wires together. I chose wire nuts because the package came with wire nuts. Once the wires are connected, remove the S-hook. Install the floodlight cam to the bracket by matching up the holes with the screws on the bracket. Then gently push the floodlight cam onto the bracket until the screws poke through the holes. This is what it should look like. Grab your two nuts from the G compartment and hand tighten them onto the threads. Then use the provided screwdriver to tighten them more. pulling in the excess wire. I will be wrapping this up and making sure that all the wire is secured. Using some outdoor caulking to seal this hole up. Wrapping up and securing the excess wire, making sure everything is snug as I don't want this wire moving around. Now I'm just gonna power it up. Power looks good. Now I just need to make sure I have the spotlights and camera positioned right before I take the ladder down. Thanks for watching this install of the Ring plug-in mount for floodlight cams. Hope you enjoyed and see you on the next fix.